12 everyday habits that make you smarter. Imagine harnessing the power of your brain to its fullest potential and becoming the best version of yourself. Intelligence isn't just a static trait. It's a dynamic quality that we can develop and refine with the right practices. Hey everyone, welcome to Mind Matters. Today, we're diving into 12 everyday habits that can make you smarter. Let's begin our journey to unlocking your brain's full potential. Few traits are more personally, professionally, and socially valuable than intelligence. Simply put, intelligence is the ability to understand knowledge, solve problems, generate ideas, and think critically about the world around you. In all its forms, intelligence has been the subject of hundreds, if not thousands, of psychological studies. Time and time again, it's been proven to positively influence almost every aspect of our lives. The most intelligent people tend to climb higher on the professional ladder, achieve long-term goals, find success in relationships, and earn more respect from those around them. On a grander scale, highly intelligent individuals have been responsible for many of our society's greatest advancements. Creative innovators like Steve Jobs laid the foundations for technological progress, while geniuses like Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking transformed our understanding of the universe. From artists and philosophers to scientists and engineers, the greatest minds throughout history have changed the world because they had the discipline and courage to use their intelligence to its fullest. Most people don't realize that intelligence isn't set in stone. For instance, Albert Einstein was once called a slow learner by his teachers, yet he went on to become one of the most renowned geniuses in history. High intelligence isn't necessarily something you're born with. You can develop it by stimulating your mind and pushing your intellectual limits. With hard work and the right habits, anyone can make intelligence their superpower. Anyone can train themselves to think and create like the smartest people who ever lived. In this video, we're going to explore the many powerful ways you can expand your mind. Whether you're naturally gifted or just average, these 12 everyday habits can make you smarter than you think. Number 1. Meditation increases IQ. For thousands of years, meditation has been scientifically proven to enhance memory, improve concentration, and raise your intelligence quotient, IQ. In one study, avid meditators scored 20% higher on IQ tests than non-meditators. They were also more creative and performed better under pressure, staying calm and focused when others began to waver. By meditating daily, you can think, concentrate, and solve problems like never before. Imagine starting your day with a few minutes of mindfulness, setting a calm and focused tone for whatever challenges come your way. Beyond cognitive benefits, meditation also reduces stress, boosts emotional well-being, and enhances self-awareness, allowing you to approach problems with a clearer and more balanced mind. Number 2. The high exposure method. According to billionaire Warren Buffett, you can rapidly expand your intelligence by exposing your brain to productive materials daily. This method involves reading about current events, talking to interesting people, and keeping tabs on your industry. Buffett and other ultra-successful people constantly encounter new information, inspiring innovative ideas and revealing opportunities for growth. While you can't possibly know everything, exposing your brain to diverse and inspiring materials every day will help you generate more ideas than ever. This approach keeps your brain active and engaged, continuously challenging it to process, analyze, and synthesize new information, thereby enhancing cognitive flexibility and adaptability. Number 3. Make your neurons powerful. Physical exercise, like cardio and strength training, promotes the growth of neurons, which transmit signals within your brain. Growing new neurons expands and complexifies your brain, literally increasing your brain power every day. Studies have shown a strong correlation between intellectual performance and physical exercise. So, next time you hit the gym or go for a run, remember that you're not just strengthening your body, but also your mind. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain, enhances the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and supports overall brain health, contributing to better memory, faster learning, and improved executive functions. 4. The illusion of knowledge. Many people accept information at face value. Instead, get in the habit of questioning everything. Curiosity and asking questions, no matter how trivial they seem, provide a deeper and more unique point of view. Most people don't question the world around them, but simply asking more questions can make you smarter. Challenge the conventional, and you'll start to see the world in a whole new light. By developing a habit of critical thinking, you become more adept at identifying biases, assessing the validity of information, and forming well-reasoned opinions, making you a more discerning and insightful thinker. Number 5. Einstein's principle of learning. Albert Einstein once said, "If you can't explain something simply, you probably don't understand it well enough." Mastery comes from being able to explain complex ideas in simple terms. This approach helps retain knowledge and create new, bigger connections. To figure out whether you've mastered a concept, explain it to another person in simple terms. If they don't understand what you're saying, you may need to refresh your memory or expand your understanding. Because the person who can explain something simply is the wisest of all. Teaching others not only solidifies your understanding but also helps identify gaps in your knowledge and encourages continuous learning and improvement. Number 6. Intelligence is contagious. Your social groups significantly impact your intellectual development. Surround yourself with smart people, and their intelligence will rub off on you. Engaging with brilliant minds can elevate your thinking. If you spend time with people who are as smart or smarter than you, one conversation can elevate your thinking. Talking to brilliant people isn't always easy. Sometimes it's downright intimidating, but intelligence is contagious. Make friends with the smartest person you know, and their intelligence will rub off on you. These interactions expose you to new perspectives, ideas, and problem-solving approaches, fostering intellectual growth and expanding your cognitive horizons. Number 7. The power of reflective writing. Writing helps process complex ideas and solve problems. Journaling daily allows you to express your thoughts concretely, transforming how you think and see the world. Our thoughts are fleeting and limited. We can only juggle so much information in our heads, so it's often difficult to mentally process big ideas or work through complicated problems. This is especially true in our personal lives. We can think about what direction we're headed or the sources of our anxiety, but these problems are often too complex to resolve by thinking alone. In writing, we can express our ideas concretely, making sense of all the thoughts swirling around our heads. In a sense, you're problem-solving every time you put pen to paper, pursuing new conclusions, and gradually transforming how you think. Contrary to popular belief, you don't have to be a talented writer to write every day. Feel free to express your ideas in whatever way makes sense to you. Every day, write just one paragraph about your life, and you may start to see things in a whole new way. Writing regularly also enhances your communication skills, improves memory retention, and fosters creativity by allowing you to explore and organize your thoughts. Number 8. Reinvent your distractions. Make your distractions work for you. Substitute time wasters with activities that challenge your mind. For example, instead of watching a mindless TV show, turn on a thought-provoking documentary. Our lives are full of distractions and time wasters, but these mind-numbing activities don't have to stifle your intelligence. If you want to become smarter, make your distractions work for you. You're still avoiding your work, but at least you're learning something in the process. Reinvent your downtime and let your brain grow even when you're unwinding. By choosing intellectually stimulating content and activities, you can turn leisure time into opportunities for learning and personal growth, keeping your mind engaged and active. Number 9. Activate your musical brain. Playing an instrument triggers emotional responses and enhances brain activity. Learning an instrument improves communication between brain hemispheres, memory, and motor skills. In one study, researchers scanned the brains of musicians as they played. It turns out that playing an instrument is like giving your brain a full-body workout, The music itself triggers emotional responses in the amygdala and cerebellum. At the same time, activity skyrockets in your motor, auditory, and visual cortexes. But that's not all. Whether you're an amateur or professional, playing music can train your brain like never before. Engaging in musical practice also enhances coordination, improves auditory skills, and fosters creativity by allowing you to explore and create new sounds and compositions. Number 10. Bite-sized reading. Reading enhances intelligence and changes brain structure. To experience the rewards of this healthy habit, read just 2 pages a day. Few activities enhance your intelligence like reading a book. Not only is reading an incredible way to accrue knowledge, but it actually changes the structure of your brain. MRI scans showed increases in brain performance and connectivity after reading a single book. The problem for many people is motivating themselves to sit down and read, but it doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. It may not sound like much, but this bite-sized habit can expand your knowledge and change your brain. Regular reading improves vocabulary, comprehension, and critical thinking skills, and even a small daily habit can lead to significant intellectual growth over time. Number 11. Outsmart your devices. Reduce screen time to boost cognitive performance. Lowering screen time by 20% can enhance energy and concentration, motivating you to learn and grow. How many hours do you spend staring at a screen each day? Spending too much time on your devices can have a negative impact on your cognitive performance. Too much screen time shortens your attention span, worsens your memory, and even dulls your imagination. So try stepping away from your devices for at least a few hours daily. You'll not only feel more focused, but you'll have more motivation to learn, grow, and expand your mind. Limiting screen time encourages engagement in more enriching activities, such as reading, exercising, or socializing, all of which contribute to overall intellectual and emotional well-being. Number 12. Unlock your imagination. Creativity is linked to intelligence. Engage in creative hobbies like writing, painting, or crafting. These activities enhance cognitive performance and nurture innovative ideas. Often the most intelligent people are also the most creative. Creativity allows us to generate new ideas, think outside the box, and solve problems in ways others might not. So if you want to be more intelligent, spend some time exploring and developing the free thinking and innovative side of your brain. Let your creative mind wander and explore for at least 15 minutes each day. Unlock your imagination, and you might learn to think in a new way. Creative pursuits not only enhance cognitive flexibility and problem-solving skills, but also provide a sense of fulfillment and emotional balance, contributing to overall mental health and well-being. In conclusion, thank you for watching Mind Matters. Be sure to subscribe for more incredible content on how to unlock your brain's full potential. Keep practicing these habits, and watch yourself grow smarter every day. Let's embark on this journey together and make intelligence our superpower. Remember, intelligence is not a fixed trait, but a dynamic quality that can be developed and refined through consistent effort and the right habits. Keep pushing your intellectual limits, and you'll unlock a world of possibilities. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you can cultivate a smarter, more agile mind capable of tackling challenges, generating innovative ideas, and achieving your goals. Stay curious, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Your journey to greater intelligence begins now.